So these are majorly the key domains which can be possible in the marketing, though the entire domain is very vast. But I tried to sum up in six major domains. The first one is research. Whenever we start any new venture, or whenever we wish to launch a new product from a company perspective, we do a market research. The market research involves the entire market size, the customer which we would be catering, their needs, their key objective, what exactly they wish to achieve after getting your product. So all these things comes under the research domain. So the next is strategy. So like strategy is like one of the crucial part of marketing. If you don't have any strategy, then you are bound to fail from the initial phase as well. So from the strategy perspective, that the people who are working in this domain are majorly the people who have more than 5 to 6 years of experience of different domains, and so that they can handle the entire broad strategies where to market your audience. The next one is design. None of the marketing team is complete without a designer. I always say we as a team in IDC always says that even a designer should be thinking as a marketer in our company or in any of the successful organization, which is resonating with their audience. So this is like the third domain of design. If you wish to explore something in design and marketing, you can explore this particular domain in marketing.
To know further, watch the full webinar. Link is in the description.